Hey my friends, how are you? So, got a whole heap of models here that we can have a look at. I haven't been feeling too well lately. I've been in bed for the last couple of days, so if I don't sound too great, then, sorry about that. But yeah, let's have a quick look at this. So, we've got some of the T-54s here that I've already built. This is the 3. This was one of the first ones I built. And this is the actual original one. So this has got the full interior. And I've also got this one to go, the B model, which will be really cool. Really looking forward to building that, but it's going to take a lot of commitment because this one took a long time to build up. And you can see they're really cool. You could take that off. You can see on the inside. I left the rear plates up just so you can see the engine. But yeah, you can see all the inside there, and you can actually take this turret off and see more of the interior parts. But it looks really cool. And you can just put this back on. All good. So I've got that to build. And this is just a big fat box, and it's really, really, really heavily full. I'll show you if we can get the thing off, because I sticky taped it. Oh God, there's so much stuff in there. And you can build different types of, see that one there? That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Opposed to the sort of bag version. I don't know what that is. Yeah, it's got that cool, yeah, I might build that one. But yeah, you've got the different versions here. So what do we got? The winter option, so that's the one at the front. And then we've got a parade version, which would be cool. I like how they paint those up and they put the silver on the sort of parts there. And then we've got this one here, which has got that like symbol. And then we've got this one, Soviet Army, the second half of the 50s, and 2nd Guards Taman Motorized Rifle Division in the 60s. And that's it. So there's 4 versions you can do in that one. And just absolutely packed full of plastic. Which is really good. But I've also got 3 of these Panzas left to go. I'll just get this out of the way and we'll put these over there. So we've got these Panzer kits left to go. And Miniart Panzer 4s are really good, I reckon. You see, I've got some that I've already built. Really nice little detailed little kits. And these are not the greatest. I reckon I'll do the next ones better. It's all about learning and progressing. But I've still got a couple cool ones left. So we've got the Bulgarian version. I reckon this will be cool. You can make heaps of different versions of this one, which is different. Like you can make heaps of these are the Bulgarian ones here. So that's a Bulgarian one. That's a Bulgarian. And I think that's Bulgarian under German rule. And then we've got Hungarian. And Hungarian. And I've got some Hungarian tank crew, so that might be cool. This one looks like a pretty decent kit. It's just the exterior version one, but mid 43, and you get a decent amount of options to build up. That's 24th Panzer there. But these two are the Battle of Kovel, I do believe, in 1944. I think that's a Citadel one, maybe. Not sure. And then we've got the full interior version. And this is a real Kursk sort of era one. And you got the three versions there. You only got three versions you can build with this one. So you got the winter one, this one, main one there with that bear sort of symbol, and then another one, I think that's in Italy. But this would be really cool too. But it's full interior and it'll take a lot of commitment. But that'll be alright. And we've also got some dragon kits left. So I've got this Jag Panzer I really want to build. That'll be really cool because that's got the Zimmerit on it. And then we've got what? This cool one. This would be really cool to build. And we've got that truck there, so the 3-ton truck. The German 3-ton truck. That's got the anti-tank, the anti-aircraft gun with it, which will be really good. You can have, I might leave these off and just have this cannon just, with a crew on it or something shooting out. But there, I only got 3 Dragon kits left to build. I tend to build them as soon as I get them though. But this one here would be interesting because you've got the Miniart, what is it, Civilian series in the red, and we've got this tram. That's going to be awesome. I've been holding that off because I reckon I'll really enjoy building it. And we've got some buildings left to go as well, so got these ages ago. But this one would be interesting. Like, you don't have to turn it into a beer truck. You could just use the decals on something else. But it'd be a very, very interesting little kit. Like, and then you've got this really cool decal sheet. See, with all those different cool decals for beer. And then you get heaps of like beer kegs and all different sizes. So you get the large ones, you get the medium ones, and you get the small ones, and you get heaps of them. Because Miniart sell these in packs, but they sell the large ones separately and the small ones separately, so it's like they've put in $40 worth of, because they usually sell them for about 20 Australian dollars a pack, so they put in about $40 worth of beer kegs in there, plus they've put a truck, and they've put a trailer. So I picked this up for like $50 on special, and I just thought, yeah, just all the stuff they've put in there, it's just good value. And you don't even have to turn it into a beer truck. You can turn it into other things, but you just get a trailer, you get beer kegs, you get a truck, and it was all very cheaply. And I've never built one of these ones before, the German 1.5 by Miniart, but it looks really nice. And you can see here, they put the hood here. That looks cool, doesn't it? Like, they've really gone to a lot of lengths to mold that up. And the only thing it looks like you need to clean up is this thing at the top. That's where they've sort of broke it off from. So that's an interesting kit that I've got in the stash. And we'll have a look at the tram, I reckon. I'll just put that back in the box. But look at all these beer kegs you get. You get a decal sheet. A photo etch fret. And you can build 2 different versions, so you can either build that one, which has got the dark yellow and the black. That doesn't look that good. It doesn't look like many people have done that version. Everyone who I've seen do it does this version here. But I don't reckon that looks that great either. The lightish blue and the red. But who knows? I might build a beer truck. Who knows? Who knows? I won't build it just yet. I don't need no trucks in a diorama at the moment. Let's have a quick look at this one. See if we can pull it out without destroying the world. No, the world got destroyed. But this is, yeah, I think it's one of Miniart's first releases of the tram. I'm not sure. Just trying to undestroy the world. I think it's one of their first releases. Let's have a look if we can open this thing up. There we go. We're in. So what have we got here? You can build heaps of stuff. Like, what do we got? What versions can we build? So you can build a Kiev. So you can have one in Kiev. So that could be a scene where Germany is taking Kiev. Dnipro or Dnipro, whatever you call that. I'm not Russian, but I do know that place. I've seen the name before and stuff. I just have trouble pronouncing it. And the Donetsk, Stalino. What other versions can we build? Oh yeah. We can build, that's in the Ukraine. And then Kharkiv. Yeah, you could have one around the Kharkov region. Odessa, so these are Ukrainian ones. And then we got Minsk. Voronezh, we're more in Russia and Belarus now. Stalingrad, they got the white. This one, Pskov in 1941. And Novorossiysk, I think that's a port city. So that's really cool. You can build a lot of different, cities. Of course, we've got a shit ton of glass here because that's what they have. But that decal sheet looks really nice. I need to take better care of it by the looks of it. That does look really cool. And they throw in one of these plastic bases. They're selling, did you see they're selling the full moulded ones now? Like 40 Australian dollars a pack though. You get 2 of them in there. That's pretty flimsy. It's like you can do the Rolf Harris wallboard with it. But look at this, like, look at the detail on these things. Like, how cool is this going to be to build a... I reckon this is one thing that every modeler in 1/35 scale should build. It just looks amazing. Something so different too. And you get, you can build the tram, electrical cables and all that kind of stuff. It's just really cool. And then you got, see, look here. These are the siding. That's the inside. You see how you got all those ejector pin marks, but I reckon that's hidden up. I don't reckon you'll see that. Miniart's pretty good like that. They do tend to hide the ejector pin marks. You can see where the plastic is trying to flow. It's really hard to mold this stuff properly. So that's really cool. Looking forward to building that, but you know how you sort of put things off because you don't want to... Yeah, I don't know, it's weird. You're so looking forward to building it, but you don't want to ruin it by building it. And that's the tram. And that's pretty cool, but we've got heaps of other cool stuff. So these buildings are pretty cool to build, and I've got that leafer wagon, but I've got a couple other ones of those too. So we've got the saloon version, and I've got the repairing on the road one. But these are the grey ones. These are all sort of the World War II series. But I've got heaps of stuff. We'll have a look at more because I've got heaps of figures sets and all that kind of stuff. And we'll have a good look at those. I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.